Hey, so back here and welcome to this video. Now today I'm going to be showing you Clickvio. This is a brand new software that's coming out today. And down below you're going to see a number of bonuses that I have. There's one particular course, $1 Million Affiliate, where I go deep into email marketing, where you're going to find that information really useful if you're interested in making money through email marketing. Now what Clickvio does is this is a software that solves a key problem. For me, I use Ontraport for sending out my emails, and I find that when I try to use the Ontraport system for building an email, it's very unpleasant, very difficult, and it's difficult to get a good looking email built within that system. It's the same with many other autoresponders as well. Now, Clickvio, what it does is it solves that problem. It gives you the ability to create beautiful looking, high converting emails very quickly and very easily within its online system right here. You can create and design templates, save them, and then you can use them in the future, and it works with any autoresponder that you're using right now. Not only that, but it will then also give the ability to use a range of swipes that they've automatically imported or added into your account, which you'll be able to then use for inspiration for creating emails for your subscribers. You'll also be able to use this with your clients and create beautiful looking emails for them as well. So let's just say that I'm creating an email here, and I would create my email by first of all opening this, creating an email. Then I get an option to either create from a template or I can create from scratch. In this case, I'm going to choose one of these templates. It'll then load up the template, and then I can use this template. Now, to give you a quick demonstration of, or a quick overview of the editor works like this. The content is basically elements that you can drag into your email. You can drag in any of these elements into your email and use them within your email. So you could have videos in your email, you could have images in your email, countdown timers in your email. All of that can be added into your email just like this. You can drag it in and then you can reposition it if you want. This hand icon then will give you the ability to drag it around like I'm doing right now. So we can then drag that round, and if I wanted to change the location of this, for example, put that over top, I can do that. And we can basically move different elements around like this. So it's quite easy to do that. Now I might want to just put that above the button, and then I'll be able to put that above the button. Now what I've found is that this functionality, it's not so friendly. They need to do a bit of work on this, and I'll be telling them about this after my review, that it's not very easy to drag things around in this email editor at the moment, and I'm not sure why that is. I'm sure they'll get it sorted, but quick note, that it is kind of difficult to drag things around at the moment. It might be because of the elements that I have in here, but yeah, it's not so pleasant at the moment. So we've got our email here. I've got a button, and I've got a timer down the bottom. I could put that timer up the top if I wanted to, or I could put this button inside of the email if I wanted to as well. And the way that I do that is by, if I wanted to say, for example, this was the top of my email, I could say, hey, thanks for opening this email. Here is where to click. It then has a, for example, a find out more button. I can then duplicate this content. I can drag it down here, and drag this down here. Drag this up. There we are. And then I could create the rest of this email, and then I could say for the bottom, thanks, Sam Baker. Say the special offer will expire when this timer runs out. And then I could put this down here. I've got my timer running out here, and you can see that here when this timer runs out. We'll just say expires. So if I wanted to adjust my text as well, I would just highlight that text. I can edit anything within the software. I can add formatting, I could add bold, I could add italics, I could choose what type of text this is and what size that I want this text as well. And I could also adjust the font of this text by highlighting the text itself and going over to settings, and it gives me the different font options here. You have a range of different fonts you can choose from, so I could customize it to this, for example, Ubuntu, and I could do that across all of my emails, if I wanted to, just by highlighting and selecting that element. I can also adjust my button if I wanted to as well by going into settings and then selecting button. I can adjust the font, I can adjust the background, the attributes such as where it's located, what size it is, I can add a border, and I can also adjust the padding of this as well. I can adjust images. You will need to just attach an image source, so you can upload your image, your logo, add it into the software, then it'll be featured here as well. And basically through this, you can create emails that you really like. From there, you can click Save Email. And what that's going to do is it's going to save a template that you'll be able to use in the future. And you'll be able to use this template over and over again. So you only need to go through the adding of these images once, because then you can use this over and over again for each campaign you use for either yourself or your clients. And it's very easy to do that. I could adjust the timer as well if I wanted to. So I would just go over here to adjust when that time is going to run out. And that would then be automatically created for me. So there's a couple more things that I want to show you. First of all, you can adjust the format of the email. Right now I'm using this one up here, but I could use different formats depending on what my goal is. And they also have pre-built into here a wide range of different swipes. Now these swipes basically will give you the ability to have, and I'll just add one of these in here just so you can see it. Basically, it gives you a full email that you would be able to have in here and use for inspiration. So there's a number of these that have been built in to the software to give you some inspiration if you're short of ideas or you want something for a particular client. From there, you can download your email when you're ready. You can either download it into HTML output or you can download it into a JSON object, depending on what you want to add into your email software. So I could, for example, say download the HTML. It'll then download that HTML, and then I can simply add that HTML into my my chosen autoresponder. And that's basically how the software works. That's it. You can basically go over here now to my emails. You'll see your email has been saved. And anytime you want to use this email again, you could either clone it, you could change it, you could jump in here, customize it, add to it, edit it. And anytime you want to write up an email, just jump into the software, write your email, plug it into your autoresponder, and then you're done. So that's what the software does. That's how it works. This is Clickvio. Hope this has been useful and it's given you a good overview of how the software works. And make sure you go down below to get the best bonuses. I'm going to be putting together a really good package for this. So go down below, check out those bonuses, and get in early to get the very best price on this software. Cool, thanks for listening. This is Sam Backer. I hope this has given you a good overview of this software, and you can now make a decision that's going to be right for you and your business. And look forward to talking with you again soon. See you later.